Hi, I'm Nick from Haver USA, and this is the AMICUS Standard Robotic Palletizing Cell. We just wrapped up another successful FAT of this palletizer cell. This robotic solution is designed for the cocoa industry to handle filled valve bags created by our ELEMENTRA Inline packer that was installed back in 2022. This inline valve bagger was equipped with advanced features to optimize performance and workplace safety, including ultrasonic sealing, providing fast, reliable, and contamination-free bag closures without the need for adhesives or heat elements, inflatable sleeve on the filling spout, minimizing dust emissions and creating a cleaner and safe work environment, and automated bag application with bag magazine cards. Enables quick and easy refilling during production batches, reducing downtime and improving operator efficiency. For this food-grade application, metal detection is integrated directly onto the filling spout of the inline bagger, providing enhanced detection and improved tolerance capabilities. This robotic arm features our versatile 3-in-1 gripper end-of-arm tool, equipped with integrated functionality for pallet and slip sheet handling. Other features inside the cell include bag flattening that automatically adjusts to your product recipe and bag dimensions, enhanced safety features, as well as slip sheet and pallet pickup stations. For easy pallet reloading, the pallet magazine is located next to one of the entrances inside the robotic cell, giving the operator the ability to reload with just a pallet jack. Every AMICUS solution includes our intuitive HMI, granting seamless operation and pallet recipe creation. To create a new recipe, just input the layer patterns and the pallet dimensions, and you're good to go. To learn more about our robotic solutions for all applications, visit haverusa.com.